If a Chinese car maker could change the world, it would be BYD. BYD's secret facilities spark intense curiosity. Look at these massive barriers and physical locks. Why physical locks for top secret areas? Because we have the key. Let's see if it opens. Lock picking. Isn't this spectacular? Absolutely stunning. Feels like the wandering Earth. We're about to explore the future. What is the ultimate limit of off-road vehicles? Are you ready? Haha. I look tiny next to the U8, but off-roading is all about conquering extremes. But the mountains and land are far. The mountain won't come to me, so I'll go to the mountain. See that over there? These steps simulate Tianmen Mountain. Look how small the car is now, and every step beneath us is worn smooth. It mimics Tianmen's steep, high drop steps and sharp inclines combined. The angle reaches 35 degrees. The wide-angle lens makes the slope look gentler, but it is actually steeper. All these extreme scenarios combined with these monstrous off-roaders. Let's see what they can do. You don't want to charge the slope. Go slow. Incredibly smooth. Watch its wheels. I have a question. Can you stop? The U8 in this state is absolutely insane. The wheel is actually stopped midair, suspended. Did you see that, everyone? What is this? Physics doesn't exist anymore. Can I get a chance to hop on? Look, our state relative to the ground. Now, are you kind of driving standing up? I've got one foot on the ground now, because I can't stay in the seat anymore. Can't stay seated. We're gliding now. All right, closed course. Don't try this. Head out whenever you're ready. Wait. Which way? Go up, right? Need to reverse back up. That is quite an idea. Who knew Tianmen Mountain could be played like this? I'm sweating now, but it is still pretty easy. How steep is this slope? 35 degrees. 35-degree steps. I want to try a 45-degree slope. See how it handles without steps. The engineer told me there is a really big ramp here. I could wheel a wheelchair up this ramp. You call this a slope. This is flat ground. Next up, see this remote. Don't blink. I apologize for my immaturity earlier. Before me, this looks more like... This is roughly a 45-degree slope. In off-road circles, a 45-degree slope is officially called a 100% grade, meaning it can't get any steeper. Any steeper breaks the laws of physics. Now, let's see what it is like if a person walks it. Pro off-road move. Charging the slope. Turns out, I can't really do it. Can Yang Wang do it? Let's test it. Look at that angle. Looks good, right? Just look at it standing here. The presence right now. Besides being beautiful, it can also reverse up a 45-degree slope. No momentum needed. Slowly reversing up. Can it really? Look at the ground clearance. Stop. Stop. Let me take a photo. Wow. Isn't this like it is plastered on the wall? Hey, hold on a sec. Move a bit this way. I'm the main subject. Okay. Okay. It is exactly like it is stuck on the wall. It just went up. Reversed. Right up. The four-wheel motors. Their meaning just became tangible. Let's go. Don't mind me. All right, everyone. Now you can truly understand how far electric tech can go. It is going up again. This isn't to make you drive up walls every day. It is for extreme situations. The control of its four wheels can also help you on rain, snow, ice, or low traction surfaces to achieve some incredible angles. Can you feel how crazy this angle is? It just climbed up. Right, everyone, see that? I'm now standing next to a Yangwang U8 at this 45-degree angle. See that? I'm standing here, and what is even crazier is see who is filming me. This isn't to show off, because from day one, this was never meant for outsiders. Behind this are 120,000 engineers' efforts. We believe a moving tool will face situations you've never encountered before. I hope my customers never need Yangwang's many features, but if they use it once, it will save a life. I'm sitting in a very luxurious car, experiencing cutting-edge tech. That is what Yangwang is about. Respect. Your summary, that is exactly it. See, even the boss thinks I nailed it. Okay, wood, grain, leather. These are easy to achieve. Chinese can do these with more finesse, but people didn't think we Chinese could lead in tech, lead in innovation. So it is advanced technology, premium materials. That is U8, that is Yangwang. You've convinced me. This isn't AI video or game footage, but a very sci-fi angle to view the car. Let us experience the Yangwang U8 and its new changes. Let's spin. Besides these upgrades, there is also Etceteris 2.0, etc. You've heard of it, highway toll gates. So what is Etceteris 2.0? That is the secret weapon. Let's check it out. Off-roaders definitely know the legendary pothole test. 40 centimeters below road level, 80 centimeters drop. Let's try it. Go. Stop. Do a little mischief while no one's around. You know, at this level, forget opening the trunk. The car's rigidity is already shot. Sen, R, E. Stop. It is fine, you can go. Coming here. Really? You'll think this is just BYD is insane. They built an amusement park for engineers. In air quotes, this place has every kind of unimaginably difficult slope. Chinese, American, all kinds are here. And that is not all. Next, driving into water. Here we go. Whoa. It is floating. I can explain for everyone. I figured it out now. What drives the steering? When I turn the wheels underwater have different left and right angles, and also the front and rear speeds differ when turning. It uses wheel speed difference to steer. This thing directly relates to the car's airtightness. It needs really advanced electrification, and if you accidentally fall into water, it can still. Then I reverse, put it in R. Reverse thrust. That is a very technical term. It is a boating term, so you need boating experience, too, to work here. Hey, want a boat ride? Sister, sit at the bow. Unbelievable, my friend. Look at this spot. It is dry, under the carpet. See? That. Nice. Right now, I want to say, I finally get why it can go in water. When it first appeared, I said, what is the point of that? Cars are for the road. But think about it. This proves its ceiling, in a way. There is an engine inside. The moment it enters water, the engine shuts off completely. Pure electric drive. Plus, its torque and four-wheel distribution. Totally different logic from on land. better air tightness, smarter allocation and control, plus superior mechanical quality. Tech no one else has, only you possess it. How much is that tech worth? Exactly. Its value is hard to gauge, but at this point, its worth speaks for itself. Hollywood loves sci-fi movies, but Chinese companies love turning sci-fi into reality. But climbing from the bottom to here seems like just a few seconds. Actually, BYD took 31 years. Founded in 1994. Same age as me. How did they do it? Self-developed tech got them here. Self-developed Yun Nian, etc. Plus self-developed fast charging. Just feel it. This electric car can truly change the world. Isn't this what we wanted to see? The face of Chinese cars. Alright, see you next time.